Hanover, Jamaica. Police from the Hanover Division this morning seized 4 firearms, 34 assorted rounds of ammunition, and a number of lead sheets after an operation in Landtop, Chestercastle in the parish. Reports are that about 6:15 a.m. lawmen responded to shots being fired in the area. On their arrival, a premises was searched, and the following items reportedly seized: 1 Glock 40 pistol with a magazine containing 40 rounds of ammunition, 1 Springfield HS 2000 pistol with a magazine containing 6 9mm rounds of ammunition, 1 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 7 9mm rounds of ammunition, 1 Smith and Wesson 9mm pistol, 7 45 cartridges, 9 9mm cartridges, a cap with police written on it, 3 masks and 120 lead sheets. No one was arrested in connection with the seizure and investigations continue. Meanwhile, the police high command said it is commending the members of the area.On police division, of which the Hanover Division is a part, for its successes in ridding the streets of illegal weapons.